a man very special. As always, I cook very well. Isn't it, Akka?
Yep.
Yeah, so I'm planning to cook for them.
Alpana, what are you doing?
Basically, I'm going to cut some vegetables, and this knife is too big for me.
Smaller knife?
Yes, please.
Thank you for a smaller knife.
So, see, her grandma is giving me the smaller knife. Until then, still have. Oh, thanks, Akka. Thanks, Auntie. So basically, you just take onion and just focus here. How you cut. I am not able to cut as fast as this.
Not sharp.
It's not sharp. See, grandma is supporting me. Alright,
She
yeah.
just butchered the onions.
Yes, that's the way. Fun again. So that friends like Gail cannot identify. Akka, did you watch Friends?
Yes, I do.
Did you see Rachel?
Yes.
She laughed. So actually, basically in the serial, every time they want to say something, they just like the jokes are lame than Gail.
Hello. It's an amazing series,
Okay,
okay?
Akka, so you just focus on the cutting.
Be careful, your finger.
It will not affect. I'm confident about my finger. They don't like that. Of course, I'm doing motion. You can just off the
Are you gonna put 2 kilos of chili?
it's fine. For making it very tasty, I brought some paneer.
Wow.
This will help us.
It's milky mist paneer. You thought it is tauhu. She's eating the paneer.
So I'm just going to cut it in some small pieces for the garnish at the top. It's really going to help it. You can just have your finger and use it as a chopstick. So basically, I'm done with some tomatoes and some onion and then some more chili. I just hope that Gail can eat it. If Gail cannot, it's going to be bad for me. And so basically, what are the pieces of it? Like this is cabbage, chili. There are a lot of more chilies which I'm hiding from Gail, and these are paneer. Like I really love them. Tomatoes and adding some more chili and some more onion in it. So now I'll be cooking and I'll be showing you my stove. Actually, I shouldn't mix this like this. It's horrible way of cooking, but still, it's really horrible. But I'll be cooking it now. So this is the pan. So basically, first step is to add your chili. So yeah, I'm going to find that all my chili, which I have to get your all chili in. The second thing will be your onion. As long as you can cook at the end of the day, as long as everything is cooked together well, it's fine. I'm confused to add paneer in between or from top, but because it's mixed, I'll just add it here. So now some vegetables, onion, everything is there, and it will take quite a long time. I should have fried onion first, chili, and then I should have done this. But Akka has no idea it's going to be tasty. Her face shows like, right, it's not a noodle. Basically, Akka, are you recording yourself?
Yeah, I did.
It's okay. So look here. So basically, when you are busy,
And that's how she cooks with her hand. She doesn't need to use a ladle.
yeah. Basically, when you are busy, you just cook all together like this, and then at the
Do you
end.
need more oil in that?
No, not really. Because once the oil is added, you shouldn't add more additional oil because it doesn't give the flavor in the taste. The vegetables will get some oil in it. That's why I'm not doing it.
Okay.
Anyways, this is done. So I need some salt and some spices and some turmeric.
Okay.
So I'm going to add them and then I'll be adding the main ingredient. Okay.
And you must talk in our language.
Okay, basically.
We talk in Mata.
Actually, when people are talking, I can almost understand now.
Now,
Yeah. So
Like me lah, understanding Hindi a bit. Yeah.
Your one is horrible. But yeah, but yours is better than mine. Tamil.
Yeah.
Basically, so this is like.
It's all in yellow color.
It's all in yellow color because it's going to be brown soon. Because I added some turmeric and because we don't have a lot of time, so I just put all together and I will just cover it. Otherwise, basically, we should first put chili, then we should put onion, then we should preheat it and put some garlic for just for the smell, not for the taste. And if you have some ginger, you can just add some ginger for the flavor. So basically, now I'm going to just cover it, and once it is all like watery, then I'm disappointed that I didn't brown the onion, but it's fine. So basically, you can see how well it is cooked. So far, it looks nice. So I will be doing that. Continuing with it. Can you focus here, not me? So basically, this is done by me, and it's going to be done continued. See, just now it looked too much, right?
Yeah.
Now look,
Oh.
it will decrease soon. Completely. Okay. So basically, it's almost done. What did you say just now, Akka, about paneer?
The paneer is all squished. I don't see a whole paneer in
Reason
here.
is because I don't want Gail to see that there is a paneer. Later she'll be asking me like, "Rai, what is paneer? Is it the cheese? Why it's not a cheese? If it's cheese, how it's made?" So many questions related to paneer, so I better don't tell her there is paneer. So yeah, basically this almost all ready. It looks like mixed vegetable. I'll just add a noodle, so it will taste like a mixed vegetable noodles. Okay. So basically I just added some water in this and with the Maggi masala in it, and there is a lot of biryani masala inside too. So before I add my noodles, right, I'll just add some more hot water because noodle is going to soak all the water. So this much of hot water is very good. Now it depends, you want to eat the noodles all sticking one or you want to eat the broken noodles. So when we eat broken
Semi
noodles,
gravy.
no, not the long noodle or a broken noodle. Like it's
Long noodle.
long noodle. No, broken noodle is usually good because it absorbs all the spices inside.
Okay, then broken
Even
noodle.
though I will not do because I know they prefer to see the long noodles.
Okay.
So I'll try to make it like in small pieces so that it can, one will have the long and rest will be like broken.
Okay.
Usually I put all broken so all the taste can come inside. So you just put like this. This is going to be for the long noodle.
Okay.
So you just add this, put this here, and you just cover it up for a while, like maybe
1 hour.
Yes, and thank you, Grandma. So basically, I'll cover it and I'll have some more water in it because once it's ready, all the water will be absorbed. So very good, Grandma. Thank you. So I'll just add some more water later. So you want to see, Grandma?
No. I think good.
Nice, right? So you stay for 5 more minutes. So basically, my Maggi is being cooked and it will be very soon ready with lots of paneer, chili, tomato, etc. So until that time, I'm going to drink some drink. And of course, I hope it can't come
Don't
out.
do it near the flame.
So, yes. I hope the Maggi be tastier than this. That's all.
Ugh.
Wow, the taste is so much like vanilla.
It is vanilla Coke.
Oh, it's a
Genius.
vanilla Coke. Yeah, it's a vanilla Coke, guys. Okay. Basically, I want to see how is my noodles looking now. And of course, it looks nice. So when it is so nice, you have to like just look at it and see. It's getting thick and all the noodles should be standing up. Yeah, this is for the people who love the standing noodles. And I need to taste also. So, how do you feel Akka, about this noodle? Just in
It
the appearance.
surely smells super great, and all the noodles are looking really good with all the paneer. I can smell the onions, I can smell the biryani masala. Alpana, you did a good job, man.
Akka, I really love you. Like, thank you so much. Like, I'm such a nice cook. I didn't know that. And I have been doing quite well. Yesterday also I did the cooking. That was my first day cooking in friend's house, like in Madhu's house. Today is my second day. Third day I'll be going to Gail's house to cook.
If she allows you.
Yeah, if she allows me. So I'm now a chef for my friends. Can you focus on this? Like how amazingly tasty and juicy and gravy. Everything it looks here. Just, it's amazing.
So are you gonna try the Maggi now for a bit?
Yeah, you have to try
I
again.
want to bring home.
You will bring home also and you will try it again also. So you just try a little bit. Just little bit.
Enough.
So you just try a little bit and tell me how it is.
Oh, nice.
Nice,
Very
right?
nice.
You tasted already, right?
Yes.
This is again and then
Do it and see.
I don't know. I want you to taste and tell.
Very
You
nice.
never eat
Look
Maggi,
here.
right?
Never eat.
Look, grandma is eating it even though she never eats Maggi.
Never eat my.
So you just see how amazing I cook. I'm appreciating myself too much. I'll keep this. Nice, right? Don't burn yourself.
Very nice.
Yes. So you just see the response from grandma.
Yes. I think you all it will cook. I think.
Yeah, it's all fried vegetables and grandma loved it. I hope Gail likes it. That's all. And Kartik has already this chili, spices, and so it's nice. And of course, this Maggi noodles. Gail, how do you feel about it? It smells good. And what about you, Kartik?
Yes.
Yes. I haven't paid you for it. Say nicely.
Smells?
It smells very spicy.
What do you want?
Is that mine? It tastes nice.
How is it, Akka?
You dropped noodle on my floor.
Did you?
Wait, why?
I'm so sorry. Akka.
Oh Are you really?
Bro, can you take everyone and ask how is it? I need some reviews.
Gail, how is it?
It's okay, but I've only eaten one bite.
Ah, Karthik, how is it so far?
Can't be honest.
Okay, from the first bite, I feel that I can finish it.
Wow!
How much you paid you?
One bowl of Maggi mee.
that was good one.